Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Autumn Road. This painting that I did today is inspired by a photo that was submitted by one of my Patreon members by the name of Nicole Andrews. I have a benefit for my Patreon members whereby every now and again I'll put out a call for photos. They'll submit them. I turn some of them into YouTube tutorials, and as a thank you, I'll send the original off to whoever submitted the photo. So if you're interested in watching the full-length version of this tutorial or learning more about how you could submit a photo to me to turn into a video, or more about the Patreon membership program, because there's a lot of other benefits that you get to use that will help to increase your artistic and your painting skills. I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a nice autumn landscape, and I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.